Breaking news now in the Diddy Combs trial. Cassie Ventura on the stand right now for cross-examination from the defense in her third day of testimony. Let's get right out to Richard Giacovas outside of the courthouse in Lower Manhattan with the developments from inside of the courtroom. Richard.
Bianca, our legal experts say today is the true test for Cassie Ventura, who takes the stand for the first day of cross-examination after a full 2 days of emotional testimony. For Cassie, this is the time that she has to shine, according to our legal experts, as the defense potentially tries to rattle the R&B singer, who is 8 months pregnant, and it's something they've already tried to do. We'll take a look at some sketches. Diddy Combs seen taking notes ahead of the cross-examination this morning. So far, defense attorneys are asking about Cassie's relationship with Combs, like, quote, "You and Sean Combs were in love for 11 years. You loved him and believed that he loved you as well." Cassie says yes. Defense attorney then says your love of Combs explained why it hurt so badly when he lied. Cassie again says yes. When he cheated on you, yes again. The defense then confronts Cassie with sexually graphic text messages and emails dating back to 2008 and 2009 when the two first started dating. Cassie wrote to Puffy, his moniker at the time, "I love you so much, it makes me cry." Cassie has said she was on opiates when she sent those messages. The defense also saying, quote, "To make him happy, you told him that you wanted to do freak-offs," to which Cassie replied, quote, "There's a lot more to that." There have been a lot of objections from the prosecution this morning, with the judge rejecting many of them. Cassie asking for a break less than an hour into cross-examination, and then she went back on the stand. Outside court this morning, Diddy's mom and sons arrived to support the hip-hop mogul. His daughters are absent for a second straight day. We spoke to Combs' lawyer, who didn't have much to say, as well as Cassie Ventura's lawyer, who says he has full faith that his client will stay focused and get the job done.
We're very confident that she's going to do perfectly. Thank you.
I'm not going to talk about the case. I'm glad you guys aren't getting rained on.
So far, we are not getting rained on. We are under a tent here, but it's not raining outside court. So far, much of the cross-examination here is focused on those text messages and those emails. These are being shown on closed-circuit televisions in courts and on computer monitors that Sean Combs is allegedly looking at, then leaning back in his chair and then speaking to his attorney as he watches on and off. This cross-examination is expected to go throughout the day and into tomorrow. We'll see what happens. For now, we're live outside federal court, Lower Manhattan. Richard Giacovas, Fox 5 News, Bianca.
All right, Richard, appreciate it.